Hello students and welcome to your English language class. Today in this class we'll be taking up the remaining part of past tense. Okay, and we've already read till page number 71, so we'll continue from page number 72. Past continuous tense. So continuous word means something which is going on, and past means it has happened in the past. Okay, so the past continuous tense refers to an action that was going on over a period of time in the past. Okay, so actually वो जो भी वर्क है वो पास्ट में हो रहा था लेकिन अब कंप्लीट हो चुका है. Okay, so it was going on for a period of time in the past, not in the present but in the past it was happening. Like for example, Sita was doing yoga. My parents were feeling really happy. I was eating dinner when you arrived. Okay, so look at the timeline below. Point A is the past and point B is the present, and this is somewhere between past and present, but it's not in the present. It has already, that action has been already completed in the past itself. Okay, so it started in the past and it finished in the past itself. Like for example, my parents were feeling really happy means for a period of time they were feeling happy. ठीक है, मेरे पेरेंट्स खुश थे. ठीक है. Now perception verbs are usually not used in the past continuous tense except in the following cases. Now हम verbs of perception हम पढ़ चुके हैं. So ये जो verbs यहाँ पर हैं वो following cases में use नहीं होंगे past continuous tense में, except was hoping. I was hoping to meet you today. Okay. Was wondering. She was wondering whether you will also come to Hema's house. Was thinking. He was thinking of writing to you. So here the ing forms of perception verbs are used to enhance politeness. Okay. So ये जो ing forms है perception verbs का, hope, wonder and think, वो इसलिए यूज़ किया है ताकि जो जिस तरीके की बात यहाँ पे हो रही है उसमें थोड़ा और ज़्यादा पोलाइटली या थोड़ा और उस बात को हम्बल वे में बोलने का तरीका है. ओके, नाउ यूजिंग द पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस हम कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं? फर्स्टली, अ कंटिन्यूइंग एक्शन ड्यूरिंग अ पर्टिकुलर पीरियड इन द पास्ट दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. ओके, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, ही वाज वाचिंग टीवी थ्रू आउट द आफ्टरनून. And secondly, the train was running late regularly during the last 1 week. Secondly, an interruption in the continuity of an action in the past when used with the simple past tense. अच्छा, कोई काम हो रहा था पास्ट में और फिर वो बीच में इंटरप्ट हो गया या रुक गया किसी वजह से. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वॉज कुकिंग व्हेन यू अराइव्ड. ठीक है, मैं खाना बना रहा था जब तुम आए. ठीक है, तो हुआ ये भी पास्ट में ही है लेकिन वो जो कॉन्टिन्यूटी थी उस एक्शन की somehow it got interrupted. The students were talking with the teacher walked in. Okay, the students were talking when the teacher walked in. So students बातें कर रहे थे जब टीचर अंदर आए या आई. ठीक है. Two simultaneous actions, like for example, she was humming a tune as she was cooking dinner. तो दो काम अगर एक साथ हो रहे हैं, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब वो खाना बना रही थी तो साथ में एक गाना भी गुनगुना रही थी. ओके, सो साइमल्टेनियस एक्शन वर गोइंग ऑन इन द पास्ट, देन ऑल्सो वी कैन यूज पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. आई वॉज थिंकिंग ऑफ वर्क व्हाइल आई वॉज टाइंग माई शू लेसेस. सो दो काम एक साथ जब भी होते हैं तब भी आप पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस यूज कर सकते हैं. Now talking about the structure of the past continuous tense. अगर affirmative sentence की बात करें तो subject plus auxiliary verb plus main verb. Like for example, I was studying. Okay, or we were studying. And the men were studying. और negative sentence अगर बनाना है तो I wasn't studying, you weren't studying. Alright. And interrogative sentences, what was I thinking? Okay, what were we studying? Likewise, और नेगेटिव इंटेरोगेटिव बनाना है तो like for example, why wasn't she studying? Okay, now here's one practice exercise. Fill in the gaps with the past continuous forms of the verbs given below. अब यहाँ पे आपको fill-ups दिए गए हैं जिसमें आपको past continuous form of the verbs fill करनी है. So firstly, it dash cats and dogs at 4 o'clock this morning. This phrase cats and dogs is always used with rain. So it was raining cats and dogs means it was raining heavily. Okay, so it was raining cats and dogs at 4 o'clock this morning. Second, my brother was making the paper boats and I was floating them in the rainwater. Here you can see in the picture. So my brother was making the paper boats and I was floating them in the rainwater. Thirdly, I didn't notice you because I was working very hard on my assignment. Fourth is, why were you planning to change the light bulb yourself? Next is, while I was going to the party, I ran into an old friend. When her mother called her up, she was doing yoga. Now Meera was looking after the cat at home while Shobha was looking after the dog in the garden. The milkman arrived just when she was going out to the market. Someone stole my bag when I was talking on phone. You knocked at the door when I was sleeping. While I was leaving home, the postman came. When you saw me, I was talking to my mother. Next question is, rewrite the following sentences with the simple past or past continuous forms of verbs given in the brackets. So first you have to read the sentence, then make out whether the past continuous form of verb will come here or the past or the past simple past form of tense. Okay, so first is, I dash on my assignment. I was working on my assignment. I loved those books when I was younger. Jerry dashed to London that weekend. Jerry went to London that weekend. Next is, Trisha dashed me to say that she could not come. Trisha called me to say she could not come. Candles lighted up the entire room. She was feeling unwell. I searched for my earrings. A storm was approaching. The phone was ringing when I came home. And Payal walked to school as she had missed the bus. Okay. So this was all about past tense. I hope you've understood all the rules, all the structures of all the sentences, and also the usage of the past tense. Okay, so we'll be taking up future tense in the next class. Just do all these exercises in your grammar notebook and submit your homework by 3 o'clock tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video.